It's so green out there.
Feels like home.
The beard?
Yes,
Yeah,
it's getting to be quite thick.
It's getting there.
You built all this too. Everything here is a Charlie thing. Where are we going? Here now. Yeah. We're going here now.
We're out of.
I'm Sarah and this is Charlie. We're on an adventure around the world, DIYing everything from tiny houses and sailboats to healing Lyme disease. In this episode, we seal up our half-finished Vermont tiny house for winter and head south with the birds, stopping in the Chesapeake Bay to check in on our 1974 Formosa we hope to sail again one day. Watch on for our exodus from Vermont and a boat tour. Should we change the engine over to electric on the way home? Yep.
All right. Here we are leaving Lake George. I heard it's 1,446 miles to Fort Lauderdale. I've seen the last little piles of snow hanging on the edge of the parking lot. So I'm pretty excited they're gonna be on their way out. Having some toast and butter. Definitely brought the plow gate. Just 1,500 miles to go.
It's warm! We just got out and got lunch over there without a jacket. This is my arm and it's out. It's January 1st and we are an hour north of where I grew up, more or less. And these are gonna fall. Snacks.
Walking outside in the sun, letting your arms swing, not being encumbered by the puffiness of 6 puffy coats covered in a raincoat. It's so green out there.
Continue toward I-495 south, I-95 south.
These were more dragonflies than I had ever seen in one place, but never had I felt so integral to it. I was no longer the alienated human observer, gazing at the garden from deep inside and fully implicated in the tools of shamanism, or at least a westernized version of it. Far-flung centers of research like a kind of psychedelic honeybee.
Little detour on our trip to, ultimately, the Bahamas. We took a little detour to check on Blossom. We just got to the marina. It is really a calm, beautiful winter day. We're gonna walk on down and see how she's holding up. I can catch her mast from here. Here's Charlie. The mast looked good.
The angle looks right.
Recently varnished.
These guys are back from up north. This is the Lyme disease doctor guy's boat.
Oh.
There's some varnish.
Huh. Here's the varnish guy.
No, I think this is a piece of varnish which has
From the wood?
come from somewhere.
Oh.
It's like when you find cotter pins on your deck and you wonder where they came from. Well, this is amazing. How much have they been working?
That one's chafed pretty good. Oh, what a pretty vessel. No bilge pump running. Strange dirt on this window.
That's poop.
Oh, it's really brown for poop. Looks like an Oreo.
Maybe you can see the smoosh of it. Varnish on that pretty good.
Feels like home. Super clean.
We have a small chunk of our
varnish?
No, small chunk of our radar platform. Our deck is littered with pieces of our radar platform. You got me?
Yeah, what happened to that? Oh,
Yeah.
original, huh? That's an original part of the boat?
It's a not me stainless piece. That's a
Came with the boat.
game with the boat piece.
What do
It's
you
on the list of things to replace, and it's gonna stay there until more parts come down.
Well, it'll all come down eventually.
Yeah, I might have to do a little bit of an inspection to make sure that's not gonna break off.
What do you have to say about things that came with the boat?
If throw them away. They all need to be thrown away. Smells bilgy. Like any boat from the 70s. Nice rain, huh?
Well, it probably just got really rained on while we got really rained on driving down. I'm going in. Smells a bit bilgy. Just taking it all in. Huh. Looks like our air filter wants its filter changed. Oh, invader! Cute little bed. into the salon. We put our sails over here. This is like a bed someone could sleep on if they were here as a guest. This dehumidifier is plugged into the bilge so that it drains its water and can run continuously. And that hose keeps running to the kitchen over there, to our bilge pump, which is in the deepest part right under there. And this is my little kitchen that I miss really more than anything in the world. Beautiful, beautiful little super efficient kitchen. These drawers we actually use for sailing stuff here on the bottom, and the top is spices. That's our fridge. I can fit inside. My beautiful sink and counter, silverware, dishes. That has a nice board so I can stow things under there when we're sailing. And over here is all of our food storage, which I did not clean out. So, still got food to eat. Don't forget the lucky tea kettle.
Battery voltage.
What's the battery voltage? Let's see. 13.04. It's pretty great.
Jellyfish making a hard, a full 360. Now we're playing dead, and we're back to working. All right. Well, she held together. How you doing down there?
Saging, cedar. Just doing some cleaning.
Got any fans up forward? Plug in?
This is a fan.
Yeah, but I can do a window fan. It's good. I'll take that out here too. It's so nice here. Here you go.
Should we change the engine over to electric on the way home?
Oh.
To be determined.
Yeah. I mean, I'd more just throw it out or not use it.
We didn't even clean the counter before we left. There's little bits of coconut oil and ground beef on it.
Yeah.
We left in such a hurry. I'd say considering that, it's pretty good in here.
Yes.
Like, this is better than usual. Wait.
I'll check the bilge pumps. Check
I
the
hear like a
amperage.
low sound.
Yeah, the sound's coming from that fan.
Oh, in the freezer? Yeah. After being gone for so long, it's easy for me to look around and be like, well, don't need that anymore. Stuff that I was definitely keeping. That's the nice thing about some time passing. Like this chimichurri recipe, I don't think I need that.
Which one don't you need?
This chimichurri recipe.
Piece of paper?
Yeah, I've got
Where?
a pile of papers right there that I don't really need.
Oh, the whole paper pile. That'd be nice to do.
Yeah. Charlie's checking our main central bilge pump here.
Well, looks pretty good.
Yeah?
Pretty low on water, like it must have been doing something. Ah, almost ready to go sailing again. It's nice to come back here. When you put yourself back in the exact same setting, the memories come back, but then the feeling of your physical body or mental state, standing in the same place, feeling totally differently in life.
Chickens.
Which was nice, because when I was last here, my brain was still super inflamed. That's only not even a year ago now. So we were last year in June.
Mm-hmm.
Now
Maybe
we're
July.
in January. So
6 months.
I'm now a year into BVT, and I just feel completely different. They talk about getting your quality of life back, and I think that's where I'm going, which is pretty cool. That's pretty neat. It's like getting longer and longer beard every day. You don't notice it. But if you take a snapshot and a snapshot, oh, it'll look different.
By the way, that is actually happening to you as well.
The beard?
Yes,
Yeah,
it's getting to be quite thick.
It's getting there.
You built all this too.
Some more windows.
Everything here is a Charlie thing.
I didn't put these in, but I put this in.
Pretty much. Blow back.
Some
These
nice,
windows we had to fix. Actually, those windows we didn't, but all the ones in the V-berth.
some other very nice, intrepid, hopeful sailor person put these in. Boats go through those. It takes many in the lifetime of a boat. Oh,
Ah,
let's look at our list.
the to-do list.
Let's see. Weld
yeah.
the windlass chain scraper up. Yeah, we'll get around to that. I guess I could add weld the radar mount up. That would be good, huh?
What about convert to electric?
Is that on there?
No, we could add it.
Don't get lost in the goal or finish. Enjoy the process. Oh yeah, I would enjoy that process. Let's do it somewhere else.
Where?
Somewhere we want to be daily. Like, I don't know. Let's find somewhere nice. We'll do it there.
Well, I only cried once. We have everything we need to go to Florida and the Bahamas now, but this feels like home, and I really want to be back here doing more sailing on Blossom because I love it. Join us next Saturday for our arrival in gloriously sunny Florida, where Charlie has a surgery to get an infected root canal removed he got when he was a teenager. Then it's on to the Bahamas.